What is up, my cyber family? My name is elainassosseyt and I'm here to slay. Okay, welcome back to my channel, you guys, and welcome me back because I've been away. Okay, but I'm back and hopefully I'm here to stay because we always make these promises, but life takes over. But I'ma try. Okay, all right, so let's get into this brows. As you guys can see, I'm doing colored brows. I'm starting off with liquid lipstick from Stila. Then I'm using this MAC concealer to carve out my brows, and to do that I'm using the Morphe M224 brush. Okay, all right, and to blend that out I'm using Morphe's M173 brush. Blend your life away, girl. Blend. And of course we're gonna go in with this spoolie to evenly distribute that color. All right, so now I'm taking my P. Louise base and I'm using P. Louise 7071 brush, and I'm patting that base on my eyelid. Okay, this is the Slade palette, Slade Faces Cosmetics palette. If you guys don't know about Slade Faces, go check her out on Instagram. She's dope. Her makeup looks beyond 100 and her palette is just girl, go get you that palette. Okay, girl, if you don't know what you're missing on your life, it's that palette. Go get that palette, girl. Go get it. All right, so I'm starting with a, what kind of color is that? I think that's burgundy, and then I'm going in with a pink color on top, then an orange to blend that out, and a yellow. So yeah, just keep blending, just keep blending, just keep blending. Hey, blend your life away. Hey. All right, now I'm going in my crease, directly in my crease with black from that palette, and then I'm going to go back in with the burgundy shade and all the other shades, and then it's time to cut that crease. Okay, but before I cut the crease, you guys will see me go in with a wipe and some micellar water so I could get off the excess product off my lid, and then I'm gonna cut the crease. And to cut the crease I'm using P. Louise blank canvas paint and her acid rain brush as well. Now I'm going back in with that black and I'm just placing it in the outer V, and I'm winging it out a bit. Then I'm using that fiery coral type of color from the palette. Next I'm going in with a orange color, as you guys can see, and then I'm gonna go in my inner corner with the yellow. And then I just went in with duo lash glue in my crease, and I placed some chunky glitter over that. That's what you see me doing right there. And I'm also using one of the brushes from the Acid Rain collection, from P. Louise, to apply that glitter. Maybe that's it for the eyes. We'll be moving on to the face. For the face, I mixed Juvia's Place Aya Magic Concealer as well as MAC's Prolong Wear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. That was a mouthful, but yeah, I blended my foundation out. Now I'm going in with Fenty Beauty's concealer. I believe this is the shade 380. Yeah, because my foundation shade is 400. I went a shade down so it could be lighter. So this is 380 if I'm not mistaken. Yep, just placing that on my face, and then I'm gonna blend it out. And I am also using AJ Crimson's foundation in the shade 7.5 to contour. That's what I'm doing right there. And then I'm gonna blend out that concealer under the eye. Setting powder. Now I'm setting that contour with the brown shade from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. Now I'm going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deep, and I'm just going to add some warmth back to my face as well as just set everything in place. Next, I'm adding more contour or bronzer, whatever you call that. I'm using Juvia's Place Volume 1 blush palette, and I'm using those two contour shades. And then I'm using the orange blush from that palette. Guys, if you are my shade or you're a dark skinned girl and you don't have an orange blush in your life, girl, you don't know what you're missing. You need to try an orange blush. I am so in love with an orange blush. It just looks so good on the skin. Anyways, I highlighted, sprayed my face, drowned. Make sure I was drowning in setting spray, and then now I'm just adding eyeshadow underneath my eyes, the same colors I use in my crease. Now I'm going in for an ombre lip, starting with a black color, then I'm going in with red. I was so proud of myself with this ombre lip. Oh my god, it looks so good. Guys, do you see this? Do you see this? Are you seeing this? I was just impressed with this look overall. I think I did that. I don't care what you guys say. I did that, okay? That's me doing that. Girl, she knows she doing that. Anyways, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh, look at that wink. She's forcing it.